Are you ready to launch your own AI-powered business without writing a single line of code? Because what I'm about to show you might just be the easiest way to start your own software empire in 2025. AI Apps Empire gives you access to over 250 done-for-you AI applications across hot niches like social media, SEO, e-commerce, and more. You don't need to be a developer, and you don't need a team. You simply choose your apps, customize the branding, and you're ready to launch your own SaaS business in minutes. First, you get a full no-code builder with drag-and-drop functionality, so literally anyone can do this, even if you've never built a website before. Second, every app comes with complete white-label rights. That means you can add your own branding and sell them as if you built them yourself. Clients won't know the difference, but they'll pay a premium for it. And third, it includes a full AI marketing suite, done-for-you sales pages, email templates, videos, even social media posts. Everything you need to promote and sell your apps is built right in. If you've been looking for a way to make passive income online, or launch a real business powered by AI, this is your chance. Click the affiliate link in the description below and get instant access to AI Apps Empire. It's a one-time investment, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. Don't wait. This could be your shortcut to building a profitable AI business from scratch.